this is me. I'm Caleb, and this is my brother Shawn. We're gonna have a burping contest, and it's gonna be like 5 rounds. So I'm the goodest because I battled one of my sister's friends, and she's like 15, and I won the contest. So I didn't get none. I just won it. And I beat him, and I went to my friends and I did a contest, and I beat my brother and I beat my friend.
Go team!
Alright, so we're going to do 3 rounds, and this is going to be pretty fun, so
3 rounds.
This might be boring for you, or I don't know, alright? Alright, I'll go first.
Subscribe.
Shawn, say at the end.
Never mind.
Alright, I'm gonna start the first burp. The burping contest is where like I do the first burp, and there's no practices. You can just do your first burp, and then he goes on. Who's the longest or loudest wins. Alright? Alright, of course. Alright, I won. Alright, round 2. Go. You go first. Ready? Alright, I won. So round 3. He can start. That was your burp? Alright.
Now, Caleb, say Shawn while you burp.
Alright, so I won the contests, and then I'm going to say his name at the burp. Okay. Oh, one. Messed up. Don't stare at me.
Hear that? That's my name.
And
I can't say Caleb. Watch, listen.
Okay.
I can listen.
So if you want me to say it again, I'm 9 years old. My name's Caleb. I start with a K. My name's Caleb Bryant, and I go to Walnut Grove School. So if your name's Sammy, I can say that, and I'll say Sammy. All right. So that's all. All right. See ya. Fine.